Hey guys, Jeremy here with Simple Life. I'm going to do something a little different today in that we're going to replace the muffler on my pickup truck. It just kind of rotted away on the inside, and I'm noticing that it seems to have been robbed of a lot of power. There's pieces inside the muffler rattling around, and then there's also a heat shield on the outside that's kind of broken apart. And at certain RPMs, it's got this horrific rattling sound, like it sounds like something's going bad on the truck. And I was really concerned. I was like, I shouldn't be driving this thing. I looked underneath there. I ended up shoving a whole bunch of rocks in there and it went away. So that tells me that that was the problem. But instead of replacing it with the one that's on there, I'm going to do something I may regret. I'm not sure. And I'm just going to put 2 glass packs in. The reason I need 2 is that I've got dual exhaust coming to the muffler, and there's 2 ports going in, 2 ports going out, and then they join into one to go with the tailpipe. And they're 3-inch, so I've got these 3-inch glass packs. These suckers were pretty cheap. They're like 40 bucks a piece. It may be a little too loud, but we'll see. Also, if you look in here, you see these little louvers? From what I understand, this is the direction of exhaust flow. So it'll be going through here. These things are generally quite loud. And so instead of welding it together first, what I'm hoping to do, I don't know if I have enough room, is that they make these clamps that you can do a butt joint with. So you just butt up the pipe, put this over top, suck these suckers down with an impact. I talked to the guys at the parts store and they say these actually work really well. Once the whole system gets heated up a few times, it kind of just locks everything together. Generally, these don't leak, and so that would be handy. That'd obviously be the easiest way to go, but I'm not sure just the way that the pipe comes in, if I have enough straight on there to make this work. If that doesn't work, what I'm going to do is use this tailpipe expander. I picked this up from Princess Auto, and thank you Princess Auto for sponsoring this video. What these things do is you stick them in the pipe and it's like a mandrel. You tighten it up and it expands it. Now I've seen a lot of different reviews on these tools, and some say they work fantastic, some say they work terrible. So I'm not sure. I figured a fairly easy way to go about this would be to expand this side and slip this in between them, and then just get those clamps and clamp it down. If that's possible, that'd also be a fairly easy way to go. I don't want to weld this in yet because I don't know if this is going to be too obnoxious. I'm thinking it's going to be loud. I like loud, you know, loud pipes save lives. I've got a really loud exhaust on my motorbike, but we'll see. You don't want something that's going to give, you know, the driver a headache, but I don't know. That's why I thought without welding it, we can, you know, if we have to, we could put the proper muffler in. But also, if this is good and I do like it and I decide later on I want to weld it, I'll probably just head to my dad's shop because he's got a nice car lift. I could lift it up and I'm not going to be crawling around under my truck. But let's jump underneath. I'll show you the problem muffler, and then we'll take a Sawzall, we'll cut it out and just start seeing what it's going to take to put 2 of these suckers in its place. I've never ever done exhaust before, so I might be doing a whole bunch of stuff wrong, and that's okay because that's how I like to learn. Here is the muffler, and see, we've got the 2 coming into the muffler here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these right here with a Sawzall zip, and then so they kind of come out right there like that. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do a butt joint. Don't know if I have enough straight on there. We might need to cut this mount a little bit, but let's just start going. You see here, it's all rotten out. Chunks inside of there. This is the shield. It's kind of broken away on this side, and this thing, when it starts rattling, man, it sounds bad. But let's go ahead and see what we can do. Battery's dead. I need a new battery. Okay, next one. Man, it's tighter in here than I thought it would be. Boy, man, oh man. Okay, there we go. Make sure I'm cutting a good spot. Boy, access is a pain in the butt. Oh boy. I wonder Well, I need a new blade. Decided to ditch the creeper. There's a whole lot more room here from just laying on the ground. Okay, we'll continue this one. Look at that, eh? Bend the blade. Wow. That's jank. Almost free. That's what we're after. Come to this side. Oh boy. Okay, so I know now I don't like doing exhaust. Okay. So close. Oh, the slightest little bit left. Let's hold it. Aye. Wow, I am doing a right royal job of this thing. How not to exhaust. A definitive guide by Jeremy at Simple Little Life. Well, we won. This will fit inside. Holy cramoly. That just fits inside of there. So that's the pipe just fits in there like that. That's crazy. So I might actually get away with this. Get a super clamp here, super clamp here. Let's get the other one on and see what that looks like. That's gonna be the fun part. Getting these in together. Oh my goodness, look at that. I don't know if that's too easy. That seems a little too easy to me. Makes me wonder if I should just weld it. Makes me wonder. I'm gonna start it up, see what it sounds like real quick. I like that. I guess the next thing is to decide whether I just clamp them. I can't believe how easy that was to go in. Clamp there, clamp there. Wow. Well, that pleases me. I did not think it would just slip over the top like that. I might just clamp it for now, because I don't have a lot of time to work on this. So if I just clamp it, and then I can always come in later and weld it. I just wonder if I should cut a slit down one of them or not. Alright, so I whipped into town and picked up some exhaust clamps, and so it's going to be as simple as putting these over top, tightening it down, and I don't think I'm going to cut a slit in it. I think if I just use this, it should compress it on there enough. We'll see. If I tighten it up and it doesn't seem good enough, we can always just cut a slit in it after, but this project is turning out way easier than I thought it would be. I guess we're not going to use this tailpipe expander, but maybe it'll be another project down the road we can test it out on. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to clean up one of those cuts that I have in there. And we'll slide these suckers on and button it up. Should be good to go. All right, so we got this here. Kind of bamboozled it, so we're just going to cut this straighter. And then I'm going to double check that this one is installed the correct direction. I'm pretty sure it is, but do that and then put our clamps on and we are in business. A little more cutting. There we go. Just make sure this is the right direction. It is. This one in the right way. All right. Going on with the battery? Never seen that before. I think we're done. All right, let's take it for a rip. Love it when things go that good. It's not often things actually go that smoothly. But man, when it does, you just take it. I don't actually know if it's louder than it was before. One thing I do know, those little glass pack mufflers, they kind of break in after a while. But let's go open it up. Oh, I like that. That's not too loud. I'm interested to see the difference in power, if I can feel it or not. Pretty sure I can, because when that muffler first started breaking down, it was like, it felt like I was driving with brakes on. And then I was beating on it under there and I rattled some stuff, and actually some stuff came shooting out. But I think there's still quite a bit of blockage, so let's see what this sucker sounds like. stoked. All right, guys, that project is done. I'm super excited to have that finished. Saved some money doing my exhaust today. I don't know what it would cost to get that done, but that was like under 2 hours, including running to get parts and come back. So really nice to have that fixed. And a lot of things like this, you know, you can save a lot of money doing stuff yourself. And especially now, I mean, the cost of everything's going up. The DIY, you know, I was gonna, actually I almost pressed the call button on my phone to just take it to an exhaust shop. But I thought, you know what? I have all the tools. You know, I've got saws, I've got impacts, I've got a welder if I want to weld it. Like, I have everything to do the job. And it just, I was like, you know what, I better just do it. So I'm glad it worked out real well, went quick, didn't take me too long on a Saturday afternoon. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to Princess Auto for sponsoring this video. They sell tons of exhaust components, you know, all the different brackets and this and that, and the tools to do all the stuff. Tools, so I didn't buy any tools for this project other than this one that I never used. But we'll hang on to it. Maybe we'll come up with a little project for it. Stuff like this, I always wonder, like, you know, what else could you use this for? Probably not much, but then it's just such a unique tool. Nothing else does what this does. So maybe we'll just buy some exhaust pipe and give it a test down the road to see if these truly do work very well or not. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers.